Alright, coming out today, getting the bike out for a little bit. So, got some extra batteries for both cameras and a little bit of ammo. So, what I'm actually going to do is ride up to the range, test out this new Mac 9 DS. So, I was looking at some 2011s and I was like, yeah, this will be starting a double stack 1911 game. So, I just picked it up the other day and do that 3-day waiting period, which is stupid, but yeah, so double stack 1911 Mac 9 DS. From what I've seen, it's had some good reviews, so it's like, you know what, it's not too expensive. I picked it up for a lot cheaper than what some shops carry it for. Seen one local shop had it right around $1,000. I didn't pay that. But yeah, I just want to get that out, put some rounds through it, see how it stacks up to my other 45 1911, and I have a bunch of other Glocks and some other toys. So just want to get out, put some rounds through that, break it in, and go from there. I'll probably end up grabbing some lunch while I'm out and just put some miles on the bike. So I was debating on riding down to the Springs, hit up Whataburger, and go from there. But we'll see what the day brings, because it is nice, but it's like a 10% chance of rain, but I'm willing to take it. I would head up to the mountains, but a buddy that lives up there says there's still a lot of gravel, so it's like, I'll avoid that for now. But yeah, let me load all this up, hop on the bike, put some miles on it, put some rounds down, or some rounds down range, and see what we get into.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient.
Not bad for the first 20 rounds. First 10, second 10, so I'd say it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Push it out a little bit farther, load up 20 more, go from there. Overall, not bad. Smooth trigger. Did lose my fiber optic. That just came loose. So it's all at 21 feet. Same thing. And these two are at 45. So not too bad. 60, 70 rounds through it. Lost it, so I'll probably call it a day. Overall, not bad. I like it. Definitely like the 1911 platform. That one being a double stack, a little bit wider grip, but it's not bad at all. It shoots good. Just wanted to put some rounds through it. Like I said, just picked it up the other day, and hey, nothing else to do. A little 5-day weekend. Just put some rounds down range, put some miles on the bike, and have a good time. But yeah, I'll get back home. I know there's other fiber optics in the bag. Actually, I could just slide one in, but I think I have to melt the tip of it to bubble it up a little bit. But just want to get some rounds through it, see how it's shot, and go from there. But yeah, I might get some defensive ammo for it and put in the rotation for a carry gun. But we'll see once we get a little bit more rounds through it and get a fiber optic or front sight on there.
They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Gbody.
You always break them apart like this, or just on certain builds?
Yeah, we try to take off the hood and shit before we go jams. This one, yeah, got full jams and everything.
And this one's what? This cut and buff needs to be cleared, or?
This needs to be cleared, yeah. This is just paint.
It's nice. You do 2 at a time, or how many do you get in?
Yeah, we got 3 at a time.
3. Okay.
This is going on.
Now, this one's yours, right? Or no?
Yeah.
You sell that?
Yeah, so I'm about to just put some money into it.
This is one you have for sale?
Yeah.
For what, 55?
Yeah, 55.
It's clean. You got a buddy looking for a T-top, but I was like, I'll send you your way when you find one.
Everybody's looking for those.
Yeah. But it's more my speed right here. It's a customer car? A wagon?
Wagon. That's gonna get full everything.
Nice, nice. So we want to see this one September, is what you're saying?
Yep, hopefully.
Okay.
September 20th.
Okay. Y'all heard him.
Shit, smooth doors.
Had a crazy paint job or pretty basic?
Yeah, candy green patterns.
Okay.
Have to bring some better, you know.
I hear you. I hear you. I'm trying to get some down there. Yeah. At the same time, I was like, I don't need one. That's not bad at all. Diesel?
Yeah.
3800 running driving. If he paints it, what's it go up to, like 6?
Diesel.
Not bad at all.
What year is this?
18. Yeah, this one's yours, or?
Yeah.
You don't like the Steelies?
Shit. No, I love those.
Yeah.
Put those on everything, really.
Yeah, I saw the ones you have on your black one. I've only seen one other one out here with those wheels on it. Yeah. Is it daily or just switch them up?
Yeah, just switch them up. Probably some pattern where this blue is.
Okay.
So crazy.
13% left on the battery. Alright, so just getting back home. Put a couple hundred miles on the bike today. Enough to have the battery on, or the memory card on the 360 to fill up. I think I still have a little bit left on the DJI, but feels good. Honestly, I was a little timid getting back on the bike. Very cautious of coming up to intersections and all that, but after a while, eased into it. Still a little extra aware of my surroundings, but yeah, it's a good ride. Like I said, what did I start out to do? I think I just started out to go down, grab lunch at Whataburger, and then figured I was down there, swung over here to my buddy's shop, Old School Restorations, Cam Byers. So if you're near the Springs, even in Denver, and you're looking for a complete paint job, hit him up. I've seen his work, does pretty good work, so he has some pretty good turnaround time, especially on these things. I think he said a couple weeks for a Gbody, depending on the work he needs. But yeah, I know this thing's going to need a good wipe down. Yeah, it's the first time really putting some miles on it, getting it out, and man, I liked it. I like it. It's all starting to come back. So yeah, no, it's going to be a little bit longer video. It's going to be a lot of memory, so editing it on my phone, it's probably going to take a while. Probably going to fill up the memory, have to delete some stuff, but yeah, got to finally put some miles on Alicia, stretch the legs out a little bit, and went through almost a full tank of gas on it, so at least well over 200 miles on it. So yeah, but that's it. Go let the dog out and then give this a wipe down, get it back in the garage, call it a day.